Having old headphones can be really annoying, especially when you can't plug it into modern phones, but there is a solution. If your headphones are great and you love them, especially popular ones like this, buy this little thing, slap it in, pair it up like you would with any other Bluetooth device, and just like that, you're going to be in business and you're going to have a Bluetooth version that lasts 10 hours. And it sounds really great. And that's the whole video. You don't need to watch anything else. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Jaff Man. I'm your host, Jaff. Now, if it wasn't obvious from the title of the video, this video is essentially about making your old headphones great again. In my choice, all I needed was some new ear cups as they were tatty. I can't really do much about the inner headband. Might have to replace the whole thing. But I bought these headphones, I don't know, maybe 7 years ago, and they were still going strong. And I saw no reason to update them. But obviously with modern phones like my Note 20 Ultra, there is no headphone port and you have to get an adapter. You can't plug in. And I've considered the Bluetooth versions of these great M50Xs. But was I really willing to spend another £150 when I already had a working set, albeit a little tatty, lying around? Now, all I did was bought this little device. This is called the BT Tunes M50X. Bluetooth 4.2 and a built-in amp. So all this for like £35 I think I paid on Amazon. I mean, you can't really go wrong. It was worth a try. And really, these headphones really do benefit from being amplified. However, the fact that this has an amp built in was quite a benefit. And the fact that it also just works as simple as that without needing to put it in and twist like you do with the standard headphones was also a massive benefit. So I found a pair of spare memory foam ear cups to get rid of the tatty crumbly ones I had from the hard last 7 years of use. Obviously in the past these would be my go-to day in day out headphones, whether I go to the gym, and I would sweat all over these, dripping off my forehead onto these. Probably degraded everything over time, but obviously they're only for me, so I don't really care what they look like. Primarily nowadays we use Galaxy Buds, and these are used indoors when I'm gaming at night time. Don't want to make too much noise. During my gaming use I even wanted to use them, but wired mode was a bit of a faff just because of the way the world moves and you get drawn into the ease of wireless, and it's a real thing and it is convenient. So yeah, this basically £35 gave me everything I needed. It is micro USB, not USB-C. The buttons are in a very similar format to the M50X Bluetooth versions, so you can skip tracks, pause tracks, adjust volume and turn it on and off. You can have two devices connected to it at once, and it comes with dual microphones for better audio quality. Mate, for 35 quid, what are you gonna get? But honestly, I was blown away. These sound blooming awesome. They amp the signal coming out of the headphones. It almost feels like I'm connecting it to my Scarlett Solo. Not as loud, but yeah, very close, very on par. Much better than the speakers. Much better than the headphone output from a standard motherboard on a computer or even a laptop. So basically, this is the best 35 quid I've spent to get new headphones, because to me, these feel like a new pair of headphones now. I've got versatility, I've got wireless, I've got 10 hours battery life, and it's like only what, an hour to charge them again, 2 hours tops. I mean, 10 hours is not game changing, but 10 hours is enough. And if you had to charge it daily, might be a bit annoying, but I probably would never find an opportunity to game more than 2-3 hours in a day, even if I was off. Those things change once you have wife and kids. Gaming more than 2-3 hours for a normal guy, you'd be lucky, mate. But that's not a problem. That is life. So anyways, and they actually do last 10-11 hours from my testing over the last 2-3 weeks. So you can't buy them even if you wanted it, because it's out of stock on Amazon. But this is the link attached in the description. And yeah, I just thought I'd make this quick 5-minute video telling you how awesome these are and why you should get them and why it's going to be the best £35 you've ever spent upgrading your M50Xs, and you're not losing out much apart from battery life, because the Bluetooth variants of the M50Xs themselves last roughly 20 hours, and these are like 10, and they're not even USB themselves, these are micro USB, and the audio quality sounds as good as plugging them into your phone, if not better, because of the built-in amp. Now let's just do a quick audio test. Obviously this is based off them coming out the ear cups and a mic pointed at it. You can connect it to your phone and your PC at the same time. So if you get a phone call, you can answer without having to pick up your phone whilst you're gaming. And if you're gaming, obviously you can speak to your other players and friends and buddies whilst you try to take over Warzone, but then you realise there's a hacker who spent like £3 for 3 days to find out where you are 500 meters across the map. Yeah, those things happen a lot. So with all this said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.